Muy ঠিক আছে
Iris post office
Sakaibadi
Hello. Kita ujian ada program. Hello. Kalian ni kono? What's up,
বেশ কিছু নেশা সামগ্রী ধরেছেন কীভাবে ধরলেন এবং কখন ধরলেন
Today, Dharmanagar PS received civil information that there was some drugs, contraband being transported. So, Dharmanagar PS, they have set up on Naka, Nandabazar Naka. They have stopped the vehicle. Based on this, we have seen that we have seized 50 concealed bottles and 4,000 Java tablets. So, we have also arrested one person. One vehicle is there. We have seized one vehicle, which is an Alto 800 TR05F0382. So, and NDPS case will be registered, and investigation will be started to determine where it is coming from and to whom will it be transported.
স্যার যাকে ধরেছেন তার নাম এবং
His name is Helal Mia, 28 years old.